How to sign up for a new DeepSeek account. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily register for a new DeepSeek account. It is a Chinese artificial intelligence lab which develops open source large language models. It is also funded by a large part of Chinese hedge fund Highflyer, both founded and run by this based on Hangzhou. So if you want to open up a new account on it, you're just going to go ahead and search for DeepSeek on your web browser. And once you open up their official website, to get started, just tap on Start Now. So you can also get the app on your app version. So once you get here, you have two options. If you already have an account, you can enter your phone number and email address and then password to log in. And if you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and click on sign up. Here you will have to provide your email address. And once you have done that, you can just enter your password and confirm your password. Now, once you have entered your password, you have an option to send code to your email. So just tap on send code and a code has been sent to your email. So go ahead and check for your code. So here on the new tab, I'm just going to be opening my Gmail to see if I've gotten an email from and once you find your code, you can just enter your code here and then you can just go ahead and tap on I confirm and I've read the consent and agree. So tap on sign up and your new account will be created. It's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.